people forget what you've told them, but they never forget how you make them feel. So to me, that has learned, taught me how to communicate better with my spouse, my friends. And there's a special phrase that we've learned, that the information is neutral, but it really helped me in understanding myself better and being in a space where personal development, you don't doubt yourself. When you walk into a presentation, you are as prominent as you believe you can be. But that is all comes with personal development, and like I said, open up more. And there's nothing wrong with telling people how you actually feel. It actually makes you a better salesperson. I'm the CEO, but I call me the #1 sales guy in my business. That's what I've learned from Race Corp. You have to be, but deal with your personal issues. Business is business. People are not attacking your business. They are not attacking you. Information is neutral.